What's happening, guys? Antonio Howl Hammer. We are getting rid of this old wooden railing system, which is not to code, and installing a new composite system so she can get her CO to move in. Good morning, guys. I'm back. Here it is. The fiber-on railing system. This is the galvanized steel posts that we use. The sleeves just slide right over top of these. They get lagged into the deck. Here's one of the composite sleeves, and then we have the rails. You can get in 6-foot and 8-foot lengths, and they also have stair rail systems as well that go along with this. But this is a nice system. The fiber-on, they're not over the budget, so you can replace those old railing systems and never have to paint them again. So follow along here. We're going to do a quick replacement. Right, here we are, guys. We're setting our steel end posts. These, you want to make sure that they're properly leveled. We have a nice kit there with all the screws and lags and everything. It has a leveling kit in there. And we're just fastening everything right into the girder here. Nice system. All right, there it is, guys. We got 3 posts in. Just make sure that everything is plumb and level. Fiber-on rail kit, guys, from Home Depot. They are awesome. Composite system. So the railing now is back up to code at the proper height. This is just a rental unit, so I'm trying to help my client out here getting things back up to code around here so she can get moved in. There's a rental unit in here as well. She's going to rent out. So there's a lot of work in this place for me. So we're going to be here showing you guys some videos here and there.